Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Trust you all are doing good. Today's video I'm going to show you how to make pap made from wet corn starch from scratch. It is named pap, akamu or ogi and being processed from dry white or yellow corn. Please make sure you watch this video to the end. You will love every bit of this recipe. So for this, we are going to be using yellow corn. You can as well use white corn. Wash the dry corn thoroughly and soak in a generous quantity of cold water for 3 to 4 days, just the way you are watching here on the screen. If today is your first time of coming across this channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel, like, share, comment, and also turn on your notification bell for you to be the first to be notified any day, anytime a new video is being uploaded. And don't forget to share our videos to your loved ones. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. We really appreciate. The good Lord bless you all. Make sure to wash the corn and change the water daily so you don't end up with smelling akamu, alright? Do not place in the fridge because it is important that some kind of fermentation takes place, just the way you are seeing here on the screen. Akamu is normally soaked for 3 to 4 days, so I'm going to be repeating this process until we get to day 3.
Belly they turn, stomach they rumble. When there's reason in your belly, my dear, you can't withstand. You know fit ginger, you go humble your spirit. But whatever it might be, it's always a solution. Looking for the perfect kitchen to deal with. I got your back on this. So anytime, any place where you stay, MIRA'S kitchen there for you. MIRA'S kitchen there for you. And there for score we active, as long as it concern food.
On the 3rd day, that's the day 3, right? Okay, the reason I said 3 to 4 days is because some corn becomes soft enough to be blended by day 3, just the way you see here. Feel free to bite into it to check. If not, soak for 1 more day. Okay, it is very important to change water. Now it's time to blend the corn. I'm using my blender. You can use heavy duty grinder. Make sure to add generous water to help your blender. If not, you will end up spoiling your blender. Now cover the blender and blend into a fine, smooth consistency. After blending the corn into a fine, smooth consistency, make sure to get a bowl that should be big enough to accommodate the akamu and water you will use to rinse it and then some, okay? So I'm going to be repeating the same process until I am done blending all the corns.
Belly they turn, stomach they rumble. When there's reason in your belly, my dear, you can't withstand. You know fit ginger, you go humble your spirit, but
At this point, I'm done blending, so the next, I went ahead to give it a nice stir. Now pour in enough water that will make this work more easier. Always remember, Akamu requires a lot of water, okay?
As long as it concern food, as long as it concern kitchen, as long
Next, place the chiffon cloth over a big bowl or tie it up, okay? Then pour in the blended mixture and start rinsing as necessary till you are left with only the chaff. Just keep watching. It is very advisable to rinse small quantity of the corn blend at a time. So I'm going to be repeating the same process until I am done using up all the corn blend, okay? If you have rinsed all the corn blend the chaff and rinse again. If you think you can get more akamu from it, in case you used a kitchen blender. For me, I did not reblend, okay? But this is totally optional, okay?
belly they turn, stomach they rumble. When there's resin in your belly.
Once you are done with that, take off the chiffon cloth and set the mixture of water and akamu aside to settle for at least 3 to 4 hours. For the chaff, you can dry it, feed it to animals, okay?
Kitchen day for you, MIRA'S kitchen day for you, and they put we are.
For about 4 hours now, I checked. You will notice that the water is clear. Go ahead and decant the clear water.
As long as it consign belly, you know who to call. Mobajodo. The way they wash and cook, na so son. Enjoy yourself, Otabi follow. You don't need to bother yourself, my brother. Whatever it might be, it's always a solution. Looking for the perfect kitchen to deal with. I got your back on this. So anytime, any place where you can. MIRA'S kitchen.
Once done decanting the water, go ahead and stir properly. Now go ahead and pour the rest of the mixture into the muslin bag. Now tie the bag and keep it in such a way as to let the water drain from the akamu. When you notice that the water has drained off, tie the bag tightly and leave to continue draining the water. Leave it overnight so that the akamu will have the classic sour taste. So the next day, good morning, good morning. Bring out the akamu from the bag, okay?
Belly they turn, stomach they rumble. When there's resin in your belly, my dear, you can't withstand. You know fit ginger. You go humble your spirit, but whatever it might be.
Wow! This akamu looks so beautiful and amazing. It is done and ready to be used. Cut it up into single-use chunks, place in a container, bowl, or plastic bag, and place in your freezer till you are ready to use it. Guys, enjoy this Akamu. Hope you find this video helpful, and let me know in the comment section which one of them do you prefer, the yellow or the white one. For me, I prefer the yellow one because it tastes a little bit better. So guys, see you guys in our next one, and remember blessed. Bye.